Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to check device uptime on Android, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. You can usually find the Settings app in your app drawer or on your home screen, represented by a gear icon. Step 2. Next, scroll down and tap on About Phone. This option is typically located towards the bottom of the settings menu. On some devices, it might be labeled as About Device or System. Step 3. In the About Phone section, tap on the Detailed Info and Specs option. This will provide more detailed information about your device. Step 4. Scroll down and tap on Status. This section contains various details about your device's status. Step 5. Finally, scroll to the bottom of the status page to check the device uptime. This will show you how long your device has been running since it was last restarted. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.